Want Minecraft to look next level with RTX Ray Tracing? I'll show you how to get it running fast. First, make sure you're on Windows 10 or 11 and have an NVIDIA RTX graphics card. RTX only works on compatible hardware. Now open the Microsoft Store and install Minecraft Bedrock or Minecraft for Windows 10. Type Minecraft and get the Minecraft Bedrock edition for PC. Now, once installed, head to the settings, then video settings and enable ray tracing. You might need to toggle DirectX ray tracing if prompted. Next, download an RTX-enabled texture pack from the official Minecraft marketplace. Without it, you won't see the full ray tracing effects. Now load your world with the RTX texture pack and tweak the lighting, shadows, and reflections to your liking. You'll instantly notice the realistic reflections and lightings. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.